Tired of constant pet hair and shedding? Here are the top robot vacuums to keep your floors spotless. First up, we have the Roborock Qrevo Curv, a powerhouse designed for those who want a completely hands-off cleaning experience. This machine solves the nightmare of tangled hair with its dual zero-tangle system and Spiraflow roller mop, which prevents long fur from clogging the mechanism. With a massive 20,000 PA suction, it pulls deep-seated dander out of thick carpets effortlessly. It even heat washes and dries its own mop pads, so you don't have to worry about damp smells. This is perfect for busy pet owners who want the absolute latest technology and maximum suction power. Imagine coming home to perfectly vacuumed rugs and mopped hard floors without ever touching a dirty brush roll. Next, at number 2, we're looking at the Shark Matrix Clean, which is a fantastic solution for homes with a mix of rugs and hard floors. It uses a unique precision grid pattern to take multiple passes over messes, ensuring that no stray pet hair is left behind in the corners. The self-empty base is a huge plus, holding up to 60 days of debris without requiring expensive disposable bags. If you have a dog that sheds constantly, the self-cleaning brush roll is a lifesaver because it actively removes hair wrap as it cleans. This model is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, bagless system that integrates easily with voice control. You can simply tell it to clean the kitchen after a messy meal, and it'll handle the rest. Now for number 3. The Shark AV2501AE AI Robot brings advanced HEPA filtration to the table, which is essential for pet owners with allergies. It solves the problem of airborne dander by trapping 99.97% of dust and allergens inside its sealed base. The LiDAR navigation is incredibly precise, allowing the robot to map your home quickly and avoid obstacles even in total darkness. Because it features the Matrix Clean technology, it doesn't just wander aimlessly. It follows a methodical path to ensure deep carpet cleaning. This is the right choice for families who need a hygienic home environment and want a vacuum that won't get stuck on stray toys. It's great for scheduled midnight cleanings, so you wake up to fresh floors every morning. Coming in at number 4 is the UR3 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, which offers a high-performance 7,000 PA suction specifically tuned for pet hair on carpets. It solves the issue of multi-floor cleaning by using LiDAR navigation to create accurate maps and no-go zones for sensitive areas like pet water bowls. The quiet operation means it won't spook your furry friends while it's working through its cleaning cycle. This unit is perfect for apartment dwellers or homeowners who need a versatile machine that can switch between vacuuming and mopping seamlessly. You can easily set a virtual boundary in the app to keep it away from the cat's play area. It provides a high-quality, balanced clean for those who need a smart, multifunctional helper. Moving to number 5, the Tikom L8000 Plus stands out with its impressive 90-day hands-free cleaning capacity and 6,000 pascal suction. It solves the frustration of daily maintenance by automatically increasing suction power the moment it detects a carpet. The 2-in-1 design allows it to sweep and mop simultaneously, with customizable water flow levels to protect your delicate hardwood floors. This is an excellent pick for people with large homes, thanks to its 150-minute runtime and auto-resume feature. If the battery runs low mid-clean, it simply heads back to the dock and picks up exactly where it left off. It's a reliable workhorse that ensures your high-traffic hallways stay free of paw prints and fur. For number 6, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is all about personalized cleaning adjustments and advanced obstacle avoidance. It solves the problem of robots getting stuck on furniture legs or stray shoes by using smart sensors to navigate complex layouts. With 5,200 pascal of suction, it's more than capable of lifting pet hair from low-pile rugs and hard surfaces alike. This model is great for tech-savvy users who want to fine-tune their cleaning schedules and suction modes through an intuitive app. It provides a thorough clean while being gentle enough to navigate around your pet's favorite lounging spots. It's a high-quality option for those who want a sleek, efficient robot that just gets the job done. At number 7, we have the iRobot Roomba 105X, which boasts 70 times the powerlifting suction compared to older models to devour embedded dirt. It solves the issue of surface-only cleaning by using a 3-stage system that includes a multi-surface brush and an edge-sweeping brush. The Clearview LiDAR mapping ensures it cleans in neat rows so you can actually see the vacuum lines in your carpet. This is the best option for households with both kids and pets, where messes are frequent and unpredictable. You can schedule it to target high-traffic areas like the mudroom, specifically after the morning school run. Its ability to avoid cords and furniture in low light makes it a very dependable set-it-and-forget-it appliance. Now for number 8. The Bissell FlexClean FurForce is a specialized tool for heavy-duty pet hair removal. It solves the dreaded hair wrap problem with its never-tangle brush roll, which is specifically engineered to prevent long fur from clogging the intake. The liftable mop pad is a standout feature, allowing the robot to transition from hard floors to rugs without getting your carpets wet. With its HEPA-filtered self-empty base, it's a dream for anyone dealing with seasonal shedding and allergies. This is the perfect choice for owners of long-haired breeds like golden retrievers or huskies. You can trust it to navigate around your home for up to 180 minutes, ensuring every corner is reached. Coming in at number 9, the MONSGA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a massive 8,000 PA suction and a dual anti-tangle system. It solves the problem of frequent bin emptying with a 4-liter dust bag that can last up to 90 days. The dual anti-tangle technology is specifically designed to chop or deflect hair before it can wrap around the rollers, keeping maintenance to a minimum. This is a great choice for those who value long-term support, as it comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. It handles large floor plans with ease, using LiDAR to map out the most efficient path possible. It's a high-quality, powerful machine that gives you back your weekends by handling the heavy lifting. And finally, number 10 is this versatile robot vacuum and mop combo, featuring a 220-minute runtime for massive cleaning coverage. It solves the issue of robots dying halfway through a job by utilizing a high-capacity battery that covers large homes in a single charge. The smart mapping technology allows you to customize exactly how and when each room is cleaned, providing a truly hands-free experience for months at a time. This is the ideal solution for pet owners with sprawling layouts or multiple floor types who need consistent suction and mopping. Whether it's dried mud in the entry or cat hair under the sofa, this robot has the endurance to find and remove it. It's a reliable, long-lasting investment for a consistently clean home. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these pet hair fighting robots. If this review helped you out, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest home tech guides. Comment below and let me know which one of these vacuums you're picking, or tell me what product you want to see me test next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your fur-free floors.